Hello my PU2 warriors, your FA2 exam is near, so I am back with all the important questions from your chapters that are going to be there in your FA2 exam. So don't wait anymore. I am here with all the important questions. So I am going to discuss all the fixed questions from the chapter, and if you want the solutions, you have to, first of all, you have to do two things. Subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on the update. The solutions are coming very soon, so don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon. Second thing you have to do, you have to join our WhatsApp community. The link is given in the description, so whenever the solution of these questions are coming, you get a notification that the solution video is there, right? So without any delay, let me start with the first chapter, that is alternating current. Now as you can see, there are not many questions there in alternating current. Why? Because alternating current for your board exams and historically is very important for 5-mark numericals. Okay, from this chapter we get a lot of numericals, and there will be definitely a 5-mark numerical in your FA2 as well. Okay, if they are following the board question pattern, then definitely, and most teachers, they follow 99.9% teachers follow board instructions, so there will be a 5-mark numericals from the chapter alternating current. And apart from that, there are some few 2-3 marker questions. So what are those questions? Transformers. What is a transformer? Explain its working. So that is one question. And secondly, the energy losses in a transformer. 2 energy loss, 3 energy loss. That is also might come in your FA2 exam. So just transformers and all the numericals, that should be enough. If you have time, study about phasors as well. Phasors might also be asked as a 2-marker question. Next, electromagnetic wave. Electromagnetic wave is the smallest chapter of your entire PU2, so again no surprise over here. So here we will again getting small number of questions. Different applications of EM waves. So this is actually a large part. Okay, different applications of EM wave means application of UV waves, application of X-ray, gamma ray, infrared ray, okay, microwaves, radio waves. So all the applications you have to study for this chapter. Okay, this is one. Secondly, displacement current and Maxwell's equation. These two also are important from this chapter, right? So you study these two concepts and you should be fine. Next is your ray optics. This is one of the most important chapter. From this chapter you are going to get a derivation as well as a numerical. Okay, so there will be definitely a derivation coming from this chapter as well as a numerical. If not, then maybe one numerical can come from wave optics, but a numerical and a derivation, that was my expectation. So both questions are going to come from this chapter. So what are all the theory questions? Sign convention, draw the diagram of sign convention. Okay, prove that F is equal to R by 2. Total internal reflection and its application, condition of total internal reflection, its application. Okay, ray diagram of microscope, that is also might come because that is given in one of your model question paper. 5 marks derivations, lens maker equation, refractive index of a prism, and refraction at a spherical surface. These 3 are the most important, and most of you will get this as the question. Some of you will get this as a question. Some of you will get this as a question as well. Okay, the luckiest one, most of you are lucky. Lens maker's equation, the easiest of the 3, that is going to come. Okay, and if you still thinking that how this sir, how can you say this is easy, don't worry, I am coming with solution of all these questions, and also in the solution video there will be a plenty of numerical practice as well. So those who are afraid, sir, I don't want to practice numericals, I will not do in numerical, please, there are 10 marks in your board exam and 5 marks in your upcoming FA2 exam, so don't lose out on those 5 important marks. So practice the numericals with me and all the important questions in the solution video. And the last chapter of your FA2 syllabus is wave optics, and in wave optics obviously Huygens principle will be there, conditions of maximum and minimum interference, coherent and incoherent sources of light, uses of Polaroids. These are all important for 2-3 marker question. Now one derivation I am expecting will come from this chapter. So laws of reflection using Huygens principle, laws of refraction using Huygens principle, or expression for the resultant displacement and intensity of two coherent waves. This might also come from for your FA2 exam. Generally either these two coming, and whenever they are coming they were also asked state Huygens principle and derive. State Huygens principle and derive. So Huygens principle you have to study anyway, and if this type of question is coming where they ask you find the resultant displacement or resultant intensity, so in that case what you have to do, there will be a one small 2 marker question, 2 applications of Polaroids or condition for maximum and minimum interference, that might be asked as a substitute and add-on question. Okay. So this is a 3 marker question actually, but if they add 1 2 marker question from the top, then it will become a 5 marker question. But what my experience tells you, you will get one of these 2 derivations, so worry not. And if, as I mentioned you, if you want the solution of this entire questions as well as some very important numericals, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and join the WhatsApp community. The WhatsApp community link is given in the description of this video, and you will get the notification as soon as the solution video is available, right? I'll be back with the solution. See you soon in the next video. Till then, bye.